One up. 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, got any Niue words for the followers?
Nope.
Okay. Alright.
One.
Yeah. Whakalo whatu mako, mawhala. Koui East Tamaki Rugby Football Club. Ke ono ki a tau tangata ne pele touch rugby for Niue. So peeps, I'm at East Tamaki Rugby Football Club to come and watch my nephew Vaughan play or practice touch to play for the Niue Touch Team. Yeah, I think this is his first time maybe, I'm not too sure. Just come and support the Niue team. I think my cousin Nigel Eric, he's the coach, so that's exciting. And yeah, so we're just gonna come and see. I think this is my cousin here. Hey, my bro! Shee! Didn't recognize the van. Didn't know the van. Good to see. Hey, sup, Benson? Huh? Where'd you come off? Oh, I parked around the corner. This is the coach for the team. Sup? Sup? And Niue Sports Star. Yo, let's go, yo.
Hey, whakawhia to family, I'm Nigel Eric, the coach for the Under-10s Niue team this year. Yeah, we just help building the kids' confidence on the field, on and off the field. I think touch and tag is a really good sport for our kids to, you know, just to build their confidence and get them to understand the game a little bit more and help them, you know. But it's also a good sport to see if they want to play contact, you know, leading into contact rugby and rugby league. Physical, so yeah, this is a good sport to understand the basic rules of touch or league or even union, and just applying it on and off the field as well. So yeah, just, you know, just help build our future leaders and our future sports stars to be better players and better humans.
Right. It's the boys training.
Just passing, warming up your pass. 3, 2, 1, go. Warming up, look. Oh, pass. Yeah, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Bang it. Doing your hardest. 3, 2, 1, go. Get the step, yeah, one up. 3, 2, 1, go. Now, one, oh. Once you guys have a turn on the side, swap. Do the other side. Look. That's it, wait, I don't want you to turn. Yeah, come on, one time. 3, 2, 1, go. Look.
Yes, y'all, and you don't stop to the beat, y'all, and you don't stop. Yes, y'all, and you don't stop to the beat, y'all, and you don't stop. Yes, y'all, and you don't stop to the beat, y'all, and you don't stop. Yes, y'all, and you don't stop.
Nice. Nice. Anything you want. How are you finding the training so far?
The training is fun.
Yeah.
I'm kind of excited for the real game.
Yeah. Nice. For the tournament, is it good training of other Niue players?
Yeah. They played it more than me, but I'm starting to
Good. Good. What are you going to do this week for your own training at home? What are you going to practice?
I'm going to practice some more rugby.
Huh?
I'm going to practice some more rugby.
Oh, nice, nice. Okay. Got any Niue words for the followers?
Nope.
Okay. All
Just
right.
one.
Yeah.
If parents are watching this, quickly put your son in rugby.
Fuck away. Nice. Thank you, Vaughan.
Here we go again.